Hey everybody, Jamie from the Marine Doctor's YouTube channel, and this is a 90 horsepower two-stroke Mercury. Now the customer had water in his gear case, so he thought that the fix was going to be removing his bearing carrier and change out the seals. But what happened was, drained his oil out, correct, took the bearing carrier out, easy enough to do, but when he put it back in, you can see the damage. He broke that, and he broke that because he tightened it against a bearing that was sitting like that inside the gear case. So really unfortunate that that happened, because it's supposed to sit like that, and he tightened it down and he broke those lugs off. But the problem though was the shifter seal. So yeah, there's that, I guess. That's really unfortunate. Like, attempted to fix it himself, but he attempted to fix the wrong thing, and now he cost himself a lot of money. That carrier, I think, is upwards of $500. I'm hoping that this used one right here is correct, but I won't know for sure until I pull his out. I'll save him some money. I'll charge him half the cost of new. But yeah, that's really unfortunate. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hey, check out these videos. Later.